Good morning to doctor. My name is Beh Kar Soon. Today I'm going to present about our expert system, which is animal identification expert system. So this expert system was done by 4 group members, which is Heng, Beh Kar Soon, Tousif and Fawzul Badhan. Okay, first, this is introduction about our expert system. This expert system can categorize, discriminate, and identify animals. The climate change make animals migrate from their birthplace, making studies on their species become so difficult. So we use the use of if-then rules and animals characteristics in this expert system make the identification process become fast and the classification of animal become accurate. The second thing is we will discuss the problem background of our expert system, which is extremely related activity, variety of animals to identify, and time consuming and cumbersome. So we make this system is we want to build an expert system that can identify and organize animals and ensure that a system that can handle domains well and can accept facts as well as produce and output. And the last thing is we want to reduce workload of research. So this is about the data collection and facts for our expert system. So most data collection is done from internet research, and we identify the general features of animal to classify the animals. So we use graph tree to gather the facts, and the information we will provide when user query match the search result. So this is the methodology when we done this expert system. So we use Clips code in this project, and we choose the title for our project is animal identification expert system, and the problem we want to solve is animal classification. Decision tree and production rules are created as part of our system design. So the word has been divided into user interface, animal knowledge interface, and inference engine. So before the system is ready, we also done some system maintenance and updates. So this is a tree graph for our expert system. We will start the question is backbone. Means we will ask the user to insert either the animals have backbone or not. If yes, then it will go to another tree graph. If no, it will follow this this tree graph, and we got many facts. If and the user will input either yes or no, and the system will run based on their answer, and then finally give the output. Either the animal is a squid, clam, crab, lobster, and so on. So this is a tree graph if the user input that the animal has backbone. So when the user input the animal has backbone, then it will go to another question just such as drink milk, either yes or no, eat red, eat meat, or so on. So the system will give the output based on the answer of user key in. This is the result and discussion for our project. Just like I say, in the system, the user will input yes or no based on the question. So the system will ask questions regarding the physical feature of animals. The system will minimize domain to output an accurate animal. So based on the tree graph and the answer and the input of the user, it will make a correct identification. So as a conclusion of our expert system, we concluded this expert system is capable for identifying animals and may be utilized by active researcher and anyone who has interest. So this system will be better if the features of the system broaden. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.
I'm going to show you the demo of our knowledge based system mini project. For that, I'm opening the Clips ID and load our code. We successfully loaded. Now I'll run this code. It successfully run. For demonstration, I'll run it into exe file. See our one graph. In here we want to reach this destination, that animal is squid or octopus. So we'll start the program. Does our animal have a backbone? Alright, no. Does our animal live primarily in soil? Alright, no. Is the animal's body in segments? Alright, this also no. Does our animal use many cells to digest its food instead of a stomach? Alright, no. Is your animal made up of earthen one cell? Alright, yes. Does our animal have shaped shell? Alright, no. Is your animal protected by two half shells? Alright, sorry, no. So we are finding your animal is squid or octopus. So we reached our target successfully. I will demonstrate different graph with different facts. For that I have to go back to the beginning. Animal have a backbone? Yes. Is the animal warm-blooded? Yes. Does the female of your animal nurse its young with milk? Yes. Does your animal eat red meats? No. Does your animal have hooves? Yes. Does your animal stand on two hooves per foot? Yes. Does your animal have horns? No. Does your animal normally live in the desert? Yes. So your animal is a camel.